Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala ali wa sahbihi ajma'een. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqadatan min lisani yafqahu qawli wa ba'du. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome back to lesson 3. We are continuing on with looking at the rules of the non-vowled noon and tanween. Ahkam an-noon as-sakinah wa tanween. Inshallah, in this lesson, we'll be covering the third rule, which is Iqlaab. Bismillah. So linguistically, in the Arabic language, Iqlaab means to turn over or to change. So this is the literal meaning, linguistically. The science of Tajweed, how we apply it to Tajweed, we change the noon Saakinah or the tanween into a hidden meme when it's followed by the letter ba, and it's pronounced with a ghunna. Again, the letter causing iqlab is ba, so there's only one letter that is associated with this rule. This rule is also known, some teachers also teach it as qalb, but I refer to it as iqlab, inshallah. Bismillah. What does this mean? If the ba occurs immediately after a noon sakin or tanween, the reader is required to change the noon into a complete hidden meme with the ghunna present. No trace of the noon should remain. Method of pronunciation. The iqlab is pronounced by keeping the lips slightly separated and not closing them completely. Now I know some teachers would teach this as closing the lips completely. But Allah knows best. This is how I have learnt it, and inshallah, you could ask your teachers, inshallah. You observe the ghunna for 2 counts. And inshallah, again, the counts we will refer to in a later video. But it depends on your speed of recitation. Let's look at some examples, inshallah, with the iqlab rule. Iqlab can occur within 1 word or between 2 words. Now, let's have a look at this. Most copies of the Qur'an have a very small meme written over or under the noon, like you see here. And this will help you recognize the rule of Iqlab. And if you see the second line of a fatha or a kasra tanween or a dhamma of the tanween is replaced by a small meme. So here again, these signs, symbols, just make it easy for you to recognize that there is iqlab happening and we need to apply the rule. Let's look at this first example. We have a noon sakin followed by the letter ba. So we read this as kalla layumbadanna layumbadanna. Next example. Noon sakin followed by the letter ba. Min ba'di, min ba'di. The next example. Now this is a kasra tanween followed by the letter ba. Have a look at this kasra tanween. It has been replaced, one of the kasra has been replaced with a meme, just to indicate that there's a rule. So we read this as فيها آيات بينات. And the next example, we have the dhamma tanween followed by the letter ba. So we say وأنت حل بهذا البلد. Alhamdulillah. Next lesson, inshallah, we'll be covering the last rule of ahkam an-noon as-sakinah wa tanween, the rules of non-vowled noon and tanween, and the rule is ikhfa haqiqi. So inshallah we meet next time. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.